Hi, it's Darren. We're here today at Easton Road in New Ferry. We've got a 4-bedroom detached house and it's only a short walk away from the River Mersey front. Let's go and have a look. So here on the ground floor, we've got this beautifully presented open plan lounge diner with a large bay window, a feature fireplace and ample space for the table and chairs. So coming through, we've got the spacious kitchen breakfast room with tons of storage, space for appliances and a built-in breakfast bar. So outside, we've got a low maintenance rear garden with artificial lawn, a decked patio, summer house and storage areas to either side of the property. Here on the first floor, we've got access to 4 double bedrooms, the main family bathroom and a further staircase which rises to the second floor. The main bedroom is a brilliant size with space for a super king size bed, wardrobe space and a large bay window. So on the top floor, we've got this fantastic versatile space, currently used as a home office and a teenager's den, and it's also got views over to Liverpool and the River Mersey. If you're interested in this property or if you'd like any more information, give the Bedminton office a call today.